We had a storm last night. A winter storm. Oh boy.
Jay,
We're gonna get
be
out. Trying to
careful.
get out.
Don't break the door.
But the door is stuck with so much snow. I think I'm gonna make it. Oh, I did make it. I get a squeeze to come out. But this is what I'm feeling into. A real dandy to shovel. As you can see. Just to get an idea how high it is. It's in front of the door there. So you're gonna see me struggling through the snow to get to the garage to get out my orange crush. My snow shovel is all buried under this heavy snow. I have to go get my shovel to start shovel bury. So let's see how I'm gonna get this shovel out. Woo! As you see what's going on here. Wow! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh! Woo! You see that? Woo!
Shovel a pathway and then go
Yeah.
and let the machine do the rest. You don't want to hurt yourself.
See that?
Yeah.
That's the thing. Let's give people a heart attack. When
Well-
you do this.
Try not to get one.
Huh? That's heavy snow.
Because I'll have to leave you in there. I won't be able to lift you out.
Okay.
I'll have to bury you in the snow.
Okay. Got me there?
Uh-huh.
Wow, this snow hard, like. Whoa!
Whoa, careful, careful. Oh my, it looks
Yeah.
like you want to bury
Oh,
yourself in the snow.
All the way here. As you can see. All high. I gotta come here.
Oh, yeah, you gotta walk on the lowest. Get your balance going, get your balance.
Don't worry. I have it
Whoa.
under control.
Now, what about getting into the driveway? Is good?
Just to show you, after that big snowfall we had, what the crush did. It's beautiful to have a big snow below. It crushed the snow that you wouldn't believe it. And not only that, I did the neighbors. That's the machine there. That's the one, the machine that did everything. And that. And I did the neighbors, as you could see, over there and over there. And I helped over there because they have a small crush, so I had to help them out a little. But just to give you an idea, look how beautiful this place looks now. Crush did it all. You have to see that.